Yo, what's up sa inyo mga pips? At for today, magre-react tayo ngayon sa ating kababayan na si Salt Papi. Alam niyo naman na kung nasusubaybayan niyo si Salt Papi mga pips, nagkaroon siya ng laban sa Misfits Boxing sa US. So, ako kasi sinusubaybayan ko talaga siya. Dun sa sa boxing career niya kasi may potential siya na lumaban sa professional. Pero ngayon, kasi alam ko ang laban niya is parang retired MMA fighter. Pero may bitaw pa rin talaga. May bitaw siya, boy. So, ayun, titignan natin kung paano yung performance niya doon at kung sino ang nanalo. Actually, hindi ko alam kung sino nanalo. Ngayon ko palang papanoorin talaga. So, ayun, nakita ko lang talaga siya at sabi ko ba't parang pwede naman nating panoorin sabay-sabay, di ba? So, yun. Bago tayo mag-umpisa, syempre please like, comment, share at mag-subscribe, ring the notification bell para kada upload natin man-notify kayo. So, umpisahan natin to guys. Let's get to it. Let's go! Okay, okay. Game. Yan, Misfits Boxing. So, titingnan natin. Ayan, tignan natin guys yung ano nila, yung comparison, di ba? So, lamang si Figueroa ng isang dekada. So, 41 to 31. So, mas matanda talaga si Figueroa. Syempre, retired nga, di ba? So, sa weight, medyo mas mabigat ng point, sabi natin 1 point something si Salt Papi. So, ano siya, medyo dikit lang talaga yung weight nila. So, wala namang masyadong diferensya doon. Sa height, dito nagkatalo. So, lamang ng 2 inches. Hindi ko alam kung 2 inches. Wala ko alam sa height, pre. So, 5'11 to 5'9. So, lamang ng dalawa si Figueroa sa height. At pati sa reach, syempre, kung matangkad ka, mataas din ang reach mo. Lamang ng 3 sa reach si Figueroa. At 76 to 73. So, ang tingin ko dito, siguro sa bilis, medyo lamang dito si Salt Papi. Pero pagdating sa reach talaga, medyo lamang dito si Figueroa. So 5 rounds lang to. Tignan natin kung ano magiging hatol. So sana maganda yung sana may ma-knockout kahit sa 5 rounds lang. Pero kilala naman natin si Salt Papi. Medyo subok na rin 'yan. Lumaban na siya sa isang malaki at mamasil at natalo niya ng KO. So 'yun, let's go. Mm. Yeah, may talo talaga siya kay Slim. Kay Slim, alam ko kay Slim siya natalo. Ay, nung tangkad eh. Tsaka mas banat yung muscle ni Figueroa. Ayun, mas mabilis nga. Lamang sa Salt Papi ng bilis. So first round normally ano lang to. Anong tawag dito? Tantsahan. Pero syempre 5 rounds lang to. Dapat medyo rush sila. So yun, sumablay si Salt Papi. Nice counter by Figueroa. Hey. Medyo parang hindi ko alam kung naiilang si Salt Papi. Ayun. Grabe yung ano na yun. Yung jab na yun. Dali siya ng jab, men. Kailangan, alam mo, para manalo talaga si Salt Papi dito, kailangan man-knockout niya. Nice! Nice straight yun. Kailangan di siya magpasindak. So, highlights lang to mga pips ha. Kasi medyo mahaba syempre pagka ano. Mga best punches lang to. Uy! Ganda nun! Ganda nun! Parang ano, mga haymaker ni ano, Salt Papi, tumama. Tingnan natin ulit. Grabe yun. Tingnan natin ulit mga babes. Grabe yung haymaker. Ayun oh. Pang! Pang! Dalawa! Tatlo! Apat! Grabe yun. Tuntua eh. Pang! Medyo ano medyo lamang na dito si Salt Papi pagdating sa puntusan. Sabihin nating lamang siya mga dalawang 2 points. Oh, ganda nun. Pero pagod na si Figueroa dito. Naku, delikado si Salt Papi. Ah! Pinigilan! Bakit pinigilan? What? Ito guys, comment down below guys. Hindi ko kasi alam kung bakit may stoppage na nangyari. Actually, hindi naman lumamya si Salt Papi doon. Parang naka-cover naman siya. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit may stoppage na nangyari. Siguro hindi ko alam. Comment down below guys. Hindi ko alam kasi baka kailangan may seconds, mga ilang seconds ka para sumuntok pabalik para sabihin walang stoppage na pwede mangyari. Or, hindi ko alam. Comment down below guys. Pero, I think Salt Papi hindi niya deserve na magkaroon ng stoppage at may talo ng ganito lang. Ayan oh, pati si Salt Papi nagtaka eh. Pati si Salt Papi nagtaka. Hindi ko alam guys, comment down below guys kasi hindi ko alam kung may luto ang nangyayari dito. Ayaw nilang umusbong yung karir ni Salt Papi kasi alam naman natin na karamihan sa mga boxer sa Misfits may inggit kay Salt Papi. Real talk yun mga pips. Kasi nakita ko yung mga comment nila, karamihan ng mga comment ng mga boxer ng Misfits. Nakikita ko sa mga YouTube channel nila. Talagang hindi nila gusto si Salt Papi sa larangan na to. So, kasi parang nauusbungan kasi sila ni Salt Papi. So, hindi ko alam kung meron connection to doon, yung stoppage na nangyari kasi ayaw nilang umusbong yung career ni Salt Papi sa boxing. Pero, hindi niya deserve to, yung ganito. Grabe to. Hindi deserve ni Salt Papi to, men. Nakakalungkot. Nakakalungkot yun, men. Oh my gosh. Pero tignan natin mga vips kasi hindi niya talaga deserve yun. So tignan natin yung interview. So hanap tayo ng interview. Kasi teka lang ha. Kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit. Wait lang. Press con tayo guys. Kasi hindi niya talaga deserve to, men. After fight. Grabe yun, no? Ito. May interview si Salt Papi. So, panoorin natin mga pips. Yan, game. Panoorin natin siya mga pips.
This is Fred Beck from Fred Does Fighting. I'm joined by Salt Pappy after his loss against Tony Ferguson. So, just tell me what's going through your mind right now.
Nothing really. I think I did well.
Yeah. He did well talaga.
But I think it was the ref. I felt like it was like early stoppage. I didn't get hurt.
Tama. Maaga. Sobrang aga nung stoppage niya. Hindi naman siya nasaktan.
No, I don't have any scratch on my face.
Barely hurt. One little scratch in your nose under your eye, and that's it.
More beating like than Ferrari and Slim and the others.
I mean, if that ref was ref in the Ferrari fight, it would have been.
It would if the ref, they would have been like stopped me in the first round.
So, do you think that was an early stoppage?
Yeah, I felt like I'm
Early.
But like it was the ref decision.
Early stoppage talaga. So, meron talagang dito, feeling ko talaga may bayad to, men. Feeling ko lang comment down below guys kung ano sa tingin nyo rin.
I'm okay. I'm just glad. I'm happy. I'm safe.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the main thing at the end of the day.
No headaches. Nothing like that.
Just talk me through the first couple of rounds. How did you think the fight was going, and how did you feel it was going?
Kasi sayang din yung niya. Yung training niya, grabe yung training niya.
I realized I was quicker.
Yeah. Mas mabilis siya.
But when I started hitting him with my best punch, the guy was still there. I even gave him like a cut, like on both like sides, and the guy was still there. He was like a Terminator.
Was he a lot tougher than you anticipated, Tony Ferguson?
Yeah, he's definitely the toughest guy I ever fought. Like he took my best punch and I even hurt my thumb.
Well, you seemed to land clean on him quite a few times. He didn't really move very far.
No, I was like, this guy's still there. I was like,
no doubt kay props din pa rin kay Ferguson kahit hindi naman natin sabihin controversial yung pagkapanalo niya. Questionable lang. Pero props kay Ferguson kasi malakas din talaga siya.
yeah, it's like it's gonna be a long night.
Were you getting tired in there? How was your fitness and your cardio?
No, I was okay, but like
Wala, malakas cardio niyan.
I noticed like he's gonna keep pressuring me, so I need to like pick my pace. I need to like stand and bounce sometimes. And then I think in the corner I was planning to like take a rest for a bit. That's why I had my hands up. And obviously he was doing this, and then the ref like stopped it.
Did you feel when he had
So yun yung dahilan. So hindi talaga dapat, men.
against the ropes? Did you feel a need to throw back, or was it just covering out the smart he's going to do, and then before you could throw back or move, he had stopped it?
I was waiting for him to finish his combination.
Yeah.
Move off the line and throw your shots.
He doesn't punch hard, but obviously he's tough, very tough. He had like
Hindi siya malakas sumuntok daw.
punching power, like enough to hurt you, but not to put me to sleep.
Right.
No.
Do you want to do the rematch with Tony Ferguson?
I mean, if they want, like I'm just happy to be here, man. Like
Actually, malakas to si Salt Papi. Hindi ko lang alam talaga kung bakit. May stoppage.
thank you for the opportunity, man. It's like misfits. You know what I mean?
Still humble.
Yeah, man, it's like humble in victory and defeat. Yeah.
Do you think that he'll do the Gibb fight, Tony Ferguson versus Gibb, or do you
I
reckon
started to fight him, isn't it? They wanna go fight him there.
who wins, Tony versus Gibb?
I'm not sure. Like this guy is non-stop. He comes forward non-stop. So I don't know. And he takes off.
Natatawa ako kasi parang na-expired na yung English ni Salt Papi dahil nga ang tagal niya rin dito sa Pilipinas.
He took my biggest punch. People like supposed to be sleeping by then.
Was it? I'll put the camera down just a little bit here. Did it feel at all demoralizing or draining when you throw your biggest shot at him and you think he's gonna go down and he's still there in your face?
No, I was thinking maybe it's a bit early. Maybe I will get him like later on the rounds when when I damage more like of his face. But obviously, it's like he's still there.
Still
Yeah.
still in racing.
Yeah.
And your plan, just chill out now, spend some time with your family.
Yeah, spend time with my
Okay.
family.
So, yun yung insight niya, mga pips. So, sa inyo guys, mga pips, anong sa tingin nyo ang dapat naging desisyon ng referee doon? Pero ako para sa akin, masyadong maaga para doon sa stoppage na yun. Kasi hindi naman bumaba yung kamay ni Salt Papi doon. Although tinamaan siya sa mga unang mga suntok nung time na yun, pero para doon sa stoppage dahil sunod-sunod lang sumuntok si Figueroa o si Ferguson. Figueroa. Tama ba? O Figueroa. Tony Ferguson pala. Si Ferguson. Hindi niya deserve na ma-stoppage ng ganong kaaga. So, ewan ko. Bahala na. So, ayun. Yun na talaga yun mga pips. So, kayo, ano ba masasabi nyo guys? Comment down below. At kanina, siguro yung mga nasasabi kong pangalan, Ferguson or Figueroa, Ferguson talaga siya. Nakakalito lang talaga. Pero, yun nga. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. So, dito lang tayo mga pips. Okay, sa muli. Bye-bye. God bless.
Yo, tapos na ang kwento pero wag kang aalis. Next vlog ni M siguradong malupit.